We're at the gorgeous Moon Palace and I'm having the time of my life. It's such a shame that I couldn't literally take you guys every single where with me. Yesterday was my mom's birthday, so we celebrated, and obviously because I'm the one hosting and like preparing everything, I couldn't have a camera up in my hand as well as cater to her. So I didn't get to vlog as much as I had intended yesterday. But today I literally just woke up, showered, I put on this gorgeous outfit. These trousers are at least 5 years old. I got them from Pretty Little Thing. I got this black, what's it called? It's like a vest top. It's like a waistcoat. I got this black waistcoat on as well. This is from Zara, at least 2 years old. Guys, I told myself 2026, I can't buy no clothes. I need to save my money. There's only so much clothes I can buy. So, and then beneath it I've got on a bikini, I've got on a two-piece set, and I'm wearing my Coach sandals. I actually want to wear just some green flip-flops because I want to go snorkeling today. I don't have any snorkeling gear, but I'm going to see what I can do to grab one. And I was going to do my makeup, but I thought, let me just be wise. Let me just exercise some wisdom for a quick second and not do any makeup. I am, however, going to just put on some moisturizer and probably just put a little bit of edge control on my edges. But this is the room. Showed you guys already. And then this is our view. Good morning guys, happy Saturday. Welcome back to the daily vlog. We're in Spanish Town, Jamaica today. It's Saturday and we're gonna do a few bit of errands. We're mostly going to the market just to top up on groceries and things. And I'm gonna look at some furniture as well. You guys know I'm pretty dim on the room, so I just like to follow my eyes so I have an idea where I'm heading next, or if I see anything that currently matches my vision board or my Pinterest board. Slightly hoarse because I've just been in a lot of aircon and the aircon just made me hoarse. Also went out last night, we went to girls' night out. We went to Skyline and we had a time, so yeah. We're starting off with Bashko. Bashko prices are quite affordable and you tend to find some gems in there. You just have to look. They tend to have some for everybody. This is my outfit. I literally just woke up to follow my mom to come do this. So I could be in bed at least till 4 o'clock. You never know.
At 25,000 shopping spree and a gift basket from Bashko. Bashko is
Guys, we just finished supermarket. I was in off Target. I said it was gonna be more than 13,000 but less than 20. Came up to 18. Now we're in Hyper because I want to dye Milan. I just want to give my look a makeover. I feel like what the point of having a dog if you ain't gonna have fun? So looking for some dye for him and some scissors and nail clip and stuff so I can do his little beautification. Way back there.
big bag. You want a big bag then for sweet pepper, because this can't
Yeah.
wait.
And them on the sweat up already. Get some fresh one.
How much sweet pepper? 6 or 8? 4, 6 or 7 and 8. I'll buy a wrap up one then. Yeah, they are nice. Come on. These are Step on PC paper.
You just want to try them, man.
How much a pound, sir? How much?
Yeah, man, that's alright. And then look at
Yeah, what is
yeah.
I'm okay. I know I can put stress on your brain. You love me, but no one above me. You always go out of your way to show me.
No, let's have to cover the food itself.
Who there? Who there? And this? 700. This is 500. What's that?
Service. Yourself?
Wash soap, liquid wash soap, right there. I that's how much like that now. So baby,
I have the microwave cover.
wash. Wash it. See that one. I told you that.
This?
Yeah.
700.
Good morning and good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Find out to let go of everything, be free. When you're here with me, I just wanna get high on my lover. I just think I wanna hide and let's get hooked, kiss. Looking dolly, I think I may go.
So this is our weekly shop. I'm guessing this is gonna be about maybe 13, but no more than 20,000 Jamaican dollars. Let's see. I've got some breadfruit, it literally piping hot. I'm just finished roasting.
I just wanna ride, get high in the morning. I just wanna get high on my love, yeah. I'm gonna get cuando I'm high, let's get hooked, kiss. Looking dolly, I think I may go out tonight. I just wanna ride, get high in the morning. Get high with you. Get high with you. Let's go to the moon and let's go.
Can't believe I stayed around. It's really over.
There's nowhere we won't go together. We go higher and higher.
Hey guys, welcome back to the daily vlog. and I have quite a few errands to do. We have an exciting collab coming up and some business to take care of, so I'm just gonna get myself organized. I'm kind of running low on everything at the moment, so I need to top up my bank card, top up on cash. I need to redo my nails, and I also need to get some wax beads and some other bits and bobs, like just hygiene and beauty stuff. Girly bits and bobs. I've only gotten one contact lens. I'm tempted to put in another, or maybe just put in some fresh sets. My eye drops. I don't like put in the mirror after I've got product on my hand, like hand cream, face cream, because you just feel all of it in your eyes. Your eyes actually don't stop running. Oh my goodness. Gosh, am I making a mess? Alright, let me try putting this one. I'm gonna take the bus as well. I'm gonna got the solution right here, rinse her off, and put it back in. Boy. Sure. This morning I felt so ill. It's currently 3 o'clock and I'm just getting some strength. Come in, man. I'm going your rightful place. Sure. Okay, there we go. I'm already having one eye from last night that I didn't take out. If I take it out now, my eye's gonna go red. It's gonna be long. So let me just work with it. Around my lips. In here. It's getting copper color. Let me put on some of this. Any. But I can't find anyone's name to stand out. Because I'm gonna have to go to most of the ones and leave it still. Calling my nail said the last thing that the man can't do for sure. What's happening? It's still daytime, though. I wasn't sure if she does nails after the style. So maybe she said I work. It's only 4 o'clock now. But I did get data done. So at least I can what else can I do? Oh yeah, I get food. Yeah, she's gonna take Oh yeah,